Aaliyah's mom. I'm her.
And
Aaliyah's mom, her helper today.
And today we're going to teach you guys how to make slime. So these are the ingredients you'll need. Okay, so you'll need some borax, and you'll need to get it at your local store. Some school glue, some water, something to mix it in, and a plastic bag to have storage.
To begin, Aaliyah will mix 1/3 cup of water in the bowl with 1 teaspoon of Borax laundry booster.
Careful. I can't get it out.
Make sure you make a big enough hole to get things out.
And then you pour it in the bowl that you Now it's time.
Now she needs to mix the water and borax solution. Okay. On to the second ingredients. She will mix 1 cup of water with an entire bottle of school glue.
Now, if you have some school glue on the side, just go around the corners to get your school glue off the side. Now mix it together, stirring. Now you're gonna take the solution with the borax and water. And you're going to pour that into the one going to. Okay. Now you're gonna stir that together, and this should start turning into slime. See, so that. Now just keep on mixing until it thickens up. And you may need a paper towel to clean the counter when you're done. Like I mean.
How you doing?
Now this is looking like slime for real. So guys, the slime doesn't want to stick to the spoon, but here it is. This is literally real slime. Like the other ones with the shampoo and stuff. I tried that. It is not like the slime. That slime does not work. I just don't like it. I like this one way better. So now, time to jazz it up. So I'm going to take my food coloring. Today I'm going to take my blue and do that. Now only do a few drops because the few drops is really good. I only did 3 drops. You may need more. Yeah, I do.
Do it with your hand. Mix it up with your hand.
Be careful to not get food coloring on your shirt. Time to add glitter. So I'm using neon pink glitter.
Glitter. Slow.
Glitter.
Slow and move it around. Why don't you do a little more?
Do kind of slow so you don't add
Move your hand.
too much and just move it around.
Sprinkle it like salt or sugar.
Add more or less glitter based on your preference. Yay! Once you're finished, take all of your slime and put it in your plastic bag so it will not dry out. That's how you make slime
with borax.
Here's your finished product.